Hey Sparkle fam, Julie Ball here, founder and chief sparkler of Sparkle Hustle Grow, a monthly subscription box and online community for female entrepreneurs. I'm here doing the October 2020 unboxing, and it is our 4-year anniversary. I'm so excited. So this is the anniversary edition, and I'm just going to go ahead and dive in. When you open it up, you're going to be greeted with all kinds of confetti and crinkle cut and fun stuff. And the thing at the top is going to be your workbook. So in your workbook, you're going to find all the information you need, everything from our take action checklist to a packing list to make sure that you have everything in the box and you have a little description of what it is. But also you will have all the information you need for our guest experts. They provided you with training that you get as part of your Sparkle Hustle Grow subscription. So I'm going to just dive right in and tell you all about the guest experts. That's right. This month we have 2 in celebration of our 4-year anniversary. The first one, and I'm going to cover up the code because you only get the code if you are a subscriber. The first one is Bevan from collaborate.work, and you're getting a bundle from her. It is the Launch Secrets Roadmap and instantly plan your next 12 months of launches. Together, it's a $594 value. You guys, the box costs right around $50. And you just got $594 of training with one of the trainings this month. So with this bundle, you are going to get this. You'll get the exact roadmap that Bevan uses to lead 5- and 6-figure launches right at your fingertips. And with the instantly plan your next 12 months, you can enter in one date and know exactly what you need to do for the next 12 months to reach your goals. It is so cool. I love this kind of thing. I totally geek out on it. You literally type in one date and it just formats for you. It's great. You're going to love it. And it's going to be so helpful, especially since we're in Q4. You guys are probably, and you should be, looking forward to 2021 and planning out when you're going to be launching things and just getting your game plan together. So that's going to be super helpful. And then the second bonus is, or the second guest expert is Michelle Zubak. She is super fun. Her specialty is branding, and you get a bonus training called the Badass Branded Link Tree. And if you guys know what a link tree is, it's, or if you don't know, it's basically a link that allows you to, so for instance, you use it on your Instagram profile, since you can only put one link on your IG profile. So this allows you to create kind of like this one page where you list other links to all your different offers. So maybe to your Facebook group, maybe to your lead magnet, maybe to your product website, that type of thing. So if you go over to the Sparkle Hustle Grow Instagram and click on our link, you will see our badass branded link tree that you get to learn how to make one for yourself. And so it's a $29 value. It says, say bye-bye to your boring Instagram bio link and say hello to branded and badass. This training is not only fun and easy, but it will bring your Instagram profile link to a new level. When I took this course, we immediately went and created one for Sparkle Hustle Grow, and it was so much fun, and it's actually really pretty easy. So I cannot wait to see what all of our sparklers have come up with for their new branded link tree. So that's part of the training that you get. You also get some notes, some place for your notes for all of your trainings. What else? Oh, and then I'm going to show you the book in a minute, but you get a reading guide where you can actually cut this out and it can become your bookmark, and it will help you with the dates of staying on track, finishing this month's book by the end of the month before the next box shows up. So we try to give you a lot of accountability. And then on the back, we always give you a fun little quote you can hang up in your office. This one says, throw kindness around like confetti. So in addition to this training and all the goodies, our subscribers also get access to our online community, which is jam-packed with smart, ambitious women who are supportive. And if that sounds like something you'd want to be a part of, you ought to join at sparklehustlegrow.com. So let's go through all the products now. This is the fun part. Now, I always say, getting a box of goodies is super fun every month, but you got to put in the work for it to actually grow your business. And did you know this is a business expense? So talk to your accountant about how you can write it off. Boom. Anyhow, the first item is just a little fun thing to help us celebrate our 4-year anniversary. Champagne Dreams Gourmet Gummies. They are so good. Oh my goodness. You can see they are champagne flavored. I can't wait to hear which flavor you like best. Rosé is my favorite. Hide these ones from your kids. You're going to want to eat these yourself. Next, we have this little pack of very cute, colorful dry erase markers. And got to get rid of the crinkle. To go with it, this is a magnetic dry erase eraser. So you just put this on the back of your whiteboard and it actually sticks to it. It says throw kindness around like confetti. And you've got some beautiful, colorful dry erase markers. Usually, you know, when you buy a pack of dry erase markers, you're going to get boring colors like green, blue, red, and black. Instead, you're getting pink, blue, green, and purple in very bright colors. So I hope you guys love this. Then next in the box is a smartphone ring. It's in gold, and this actually grips onto the back of your phone, and you can use it as a stand. So you can imagine, I don't have one pulled out right now, but if you use this part right here, you can use it to stand your phone up. This actually rotates 360 as well, which is super cool. So it depends on if you're holding, say this is your phone. So if you're holding your phone this way or this way, the little ring rotates for you to use it. So this is a smartphone ring, which doubles as a grip or stand. Next in the box is it comes packaged like this, but I have one that's open already to show you. It is a beautiful faux leather journal in a blush color. And this is a magnetic closure, and I have to still take this little thing off, but there on yours you'll find this little cover. It's like this little plastic thing that is just basically protecting this so it doesn't get marked up in transit. When you open it up, we had these custom made. God, they're so gorgeous. You are stronger than you think. Hopefully when you open it up every time, it just gives you this affirmation that you're stronger than you think. And it is lined paper, and there is a little bookmark so you can mark where you're at. So you can put your hopes, your dreams, your goals, or just use this as a journal in the evening. Take notes from your training or take notes from the book. But this is one of my favorite products that we've included all year. I just love it. It's so pretty. And we will have extras that we can put in the shop. And then every single month we include a book. This month's book is super fun and timely. It's called Radical Kindness by Angela C. Santomero, The Life-Changing Power of Giving and Receiving. So, funny thing, she is the creator of Daniel Tiger. I just heard all the moms clapping because Daniel Tiger has been very instrumental in helping us parent our child when it comes to hard things and when it comes to being kind and being generous and all these things. McKenna's 9 and we still sing some of those songs. Anyhow, this book is great. It is important for us as entrepreneurs to be aware of our kindness, our generosity, giving and receiving, because that is key in your customer service. And if you're like Sparkle Hustle Grow, or if you have similar mission, giving, being generous, and using the golden rule and all of those things are part of our core values here at Sparkle Hustle Grow. And so that's why this really resonated. I just love this book. And yes, for those who want to know, I forget what this is called, but it's got those kind of rough edges. That is on purpose. That is just one of the ways that people publish their books. I'm not sure exactly why, but every time we send out a book that's got the rough edges, and I cannot remember what it's called for the life of me. Anyhow, people ask, like, is it meant to be like that? Yes, it's meant to be rough edges. So I hope you love this book. We're going to be doing a book study in the Sparkle Hustle Grow group, and hopefully all of our subscribers will join us for that, and will absolutely love this book. And every month when I do these unboxing videos, I always try to give a sneak peek for the next month, which our November boxes are currently on sale. If you go to sparklehustlegrow.com, you can reserve yours. Our November theme is pin worthy, and clearly we're going to be doing some Pinterest training, but I'm still going to do a sneak peek on one of the products. It is a selfie stick tripod. Now let me show you. This thing is amazing. So it is tiny. So it is going to fit in your purse or your work bag, and you open it up. This here is expandable, so you can put your phone on it and it can turn this way, or you can turn it this way. So you can use this as a selfie stick if that's something you want to do, or you can use it as a stabilizer. When I do videos, if I'm walking, I like to hold it like this with my second hand like this to stabilize my video. Another cool thing about it is has a remote shutter. So you connect it with your Bluetooth and you can hold it out like this. And when you push the button, it's going to either start your video or it's going to take your photograph. Hello, that way you don't have to grab in at the beginning and the end of every video. That's amazing. And the best part, it's a tripod. So you open up the bottom 3 legs like this, and then you just pull it open. And y'all, it is a tripod. It is, look at this, it barely fits in the video. I love this. So I'm going to stand this up. You can see how stable it is. Well, it's kind of tall, but let's see. Imagine putting your phone in right there, or like that. So this is the coolest thing. I hope you guys love it, and you cannot wait to get it in your November box. And look how small it just folded down to. I'm so excited. Is it weird that I get so excited about office supplies and tech gadgets? I hope not, because that's what this business is built on. And I'm glad you're here, and I hope you join. Head on over to sparklehustlegrow.com, and we'll see you on the inside. Bye.